Fridge Defend, solving the issues that Dometic and Norcold could not. Boiler protection to prevent fridge failure and resulting fires. This video shows how to install the heart of the Fridge Defend on a Dometic right-hand boiler. One may ask, what is a Dometic right-hand boiler? The answer is that refrigerators like the DM2652 and DM2852, the boiler is on the right-hand side of the cooling unit compartment when looking into the access door. Use superglue to attach the boiler sensor to the clip in the proper orientation. It is required to download the installation manuals from arprv.com for complete instructions. Now it is time to snap the clip onto the boiler tube. The clip will face away from the boiler tube and should be 1 inch above the heater. Not all Dometic left-hand boilers have the bulges seen in this video. If they do, how far up the boiler tube they are depends on where the cooling unit was made. It is preferable to put the sensor on the flat part of the tube as seen here. If the sensor is on one of the bulges on the boiler tube, make sure the tip of the sensor is in contact with one of the bulges. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us. We keep RV absorption refrigerators from failing. Thank you. www.arprv.com